Boy, sailor boy. Okay, my boat's a total mess, but it's okay because I went out, bought some food yesterday. I bought milk and wheat so I could make some pancakes. I was thinking of getting a pizza, but I mean, a pizza is kind of expensive. So if I do my own food, I can have this trip longer. So I always think of that, and that helps me in not buying unnecessary things. I just took a shower, and now I'm gonna go out and go to the supermarket. I'm gonna get, what am I supposed to get? I don't really know. I'm gonna get some meat, I think, like nuggets or something, so I get a little bit of proteins inside me. I'm gonna get I don't really know what to get. That's strange. I had lots to buy, but now I will think of something. Anyway, this is a total mess in boat, and it's such a difference when it's low tide here. Really crazy. Now you can see rocks and stuff coming up here. I mean, we were at the top before, and now we're down here, and the big boat which I followed in here, he left, and I will be here 2 days more because there's gonna be really heavy weather tonight coming in, westerly winds, like I think like probably 40 knots something. And after that there will be kind of heavy winds also, but I will go out anyway because I really gonna go. I have to get away. It's very important. And this marina is closing down also. This is the last week it's opened. All the pontoons here, they're gonna bring them up on land because heavy rainstorms is washing these away. So just because of that, they have no winter place for them anymore. But I don't care, I'm not gonna stay here anyway. So, but I feel sorry for if they're coming someone from the ocean and think they can have a safe place to be, wait out the storm or something. They can't, because there will be nothing here, nothing at all. And the other marina inside there is full, so they can't take anyone either. So that's really shame. That's too bad. Oh well, I will get my gear and I will walk to the supermarket because everything was closed down yesterday. It was Sunday. In Sweden everything is open, even on Sundays. But here in France everything shut down also. But the only thing which was open was the bars. So there was a little bit of partying yesterday. But I slept like a pig, so I didn't hear anything anyway. Oh well, I'll take my coffee now and go. See you later, alligator. New boat from America, USA. There was a lot of people walking up, gang of like 10 people, kind of young guys. Maybe it was them, but I can see there is someone in the boat now, so maybe not. Oh well, I will clean everything up, service the engine, changing the motor oil, because I've been driving a lot and I really don't want it to take any damage. So yeah, that's a lot to do. Let's start. Sailboy number 1. I've changed the spot I was in. I was over there before, and now I am here, further in, or as long in as you can come. And yeah, because they're going to tomorrow, they're gonna start cutting all the electric and water to the pontoons out there, and they're gonna start taking them up on Monday, but they're, you know, starting already. So here I'm kind of safe, I think. I was gonna do some laundry, but couldn't do it. There was no power, so I need to tell them, and I can't laundry on the night and not paying. Of course I can't, and I won't. I shouldn't. And the boat over there, sailboat with the blue foresail, and yeah, the tallest one, he is Swedish. I think there's a Swedish flag at the back, and he have a dog, but I don't want to disturb him. But it's kind of cool to see another Swede here. I would never imagine, but we have a Danish. You can't see them, but they're in front. Yeah, it's over there. And then we have Americans. So, you know, but they have big boats. I'm the only one with a small little sailor boy boat. Now I will well, I changed the oil and everything in the engine, and I have a little bit of oil which is leaking. I don't know if it's a seal or something, but it's dripping a little bit, I can see, and it gets me a little bit worried. But I'm glad I changed the oil now, because the oil was pretty rough. I've been doing a lot of engine, so yeah, that's good, I guess. I will change oftenly, so I will try to get, I think I will order some parts like filter and stuff, so I have it when I get to Spain. That's not a bad idea, I think. Oh well, I tried fishing, but no fish. And yeah, that's that. So now I will eat some Nutella and play some computer. There's gonna be a storm coming in this night, and tomorrow it will be very stormy here. So I will sit here, and and there's a guy going out in this crazy dude, but there seems to be very experienced sailors, and I'm, so you know, yeah, that's it. See you later, alligator. Sailboy out. Sailboy number 1. Yet again we have problems and problems. Well, I mean, it's how it is to have a sailboat, I guess. But you know, I'm doing the laundry at the moment, and yeah, we have a bit of swell here. Yeah, fix that. There you go. Okay. So I'm cleaning, and I noticed my shore power was off. I was like, that's very strange, I tell you. I changed the outlet outside, and you know, same, nothing. I had no power, so I have this you know, something, I don't know what it's called in American, but that was okay. I started, I mean, I had no chance to check if I really had shore power, so I asked all the neighbors if they had power, and everyone had power. So I guess it was me, because I changed the place where I took the power also. So I thought, it's gotta be my boat, and I you know, I'm not so good with electricity, and this is 220 or 230 volts, and I have like multimeters and stuff, but I don't dare to even touch shore power with that stuff, because I'm no electrician, and I think if you're going to go and you know, shore power is that's kind of dangerous. So I tried Google a bit, but no, I thought like I'm not doing that. So you know, I opened up all my hatches. I have like small like this one. I opened up that one and checked if there's was any burnt connections, and you know, and I had the engine bay up, and yeah, but then where I connect the power, I had I saw like this, and I tried to move it and the power came on again. So here I have you know, there's a breaking point there, so I'm gonna cut it here and redo it. So it's kind of easy, but you know, get frustrated when something doesn't go as you will. And also my engine, I mean, when I changed oil, and there was oil on underneath the engine. It have leaked a bit, and now when I checked, this was oil again. So you know, I don't know how serious it is, because it's a kind of new engine, and yeah, I don't think it's any problems like that. It's but you know, should I tighten something up? I don't know. I guess I will check that out some other time. Now there's a boat here, so I have to quit. Goodbye. Yo. I was up, and well, everything is alright. Everything is good. Sailboy number one. And yeah, I've emptied the washing machine, so now it's into the dryer. I'm making some food, and I can use my electric one and save some of the gas at least. But I'm gonna start this one also, so I can you know, dual. And when I was up there and checking my washing machine, what the, I could see a lot of cops, and I was wondering, I wonder what they're doing here. Cops, is it some raid or something? They're checking for narcotics. They were actually right over there. Two guys was standing, and they were actually pointing to me in my boat, and just you know, and now they're up there like 5 guys, and I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe they're going, you know, come here and check stuff. They have their engine started and it's going forward. Why are they going forward? What is he doing? I hope. Okay, he's tightening some stuff up, because it's really, we have a horrible swell here at the moment. I don't know why, but it just came. Haven't been any swells here on the you know, haven't oh my god, no swells whatsoever. But today it is. I don't know, the wind is coming from somewhere else, which it doesn't usually do. Maybe, I don't know, maybe not. I don't care at the moment, because now I'm going to make food, and then my people in the computer chairs and stuff, I will go to the neighbor, because he's Swedish, and he's alone, and he's gonna make me some coffee, and we're gonna sit down and chat. It's gonna be really awesome. So you know, I will talk to him and have a nice coffee. So I haven't eaten my meal yet, so god damn, that's very hard. So I will do that, and and you know, then go over to him and take a coffee with me, so he doesn't have to make me coffee. But I don't know if that's not nice to do. Is it on? Yes, it's on. It's kind of hard to tell. I regret I didn't buy a bigger one. This is like the smallest one you could get, and I should really have bought higher watts, because I'm only using it when I'm doing shore power anyway, so it's not like I'm using it with my solar. But I didn't think about that because a long time ago I bought it, so you know, it's okay, I guess. I want to have my big plate, my big bar plate. I always eat in that one because I tend to make a lot of food, and you know, this one can go in here again. Oh my god. I didn't think I would say this with this boat, but I really want more space. I have so much stuff, and I don't know really where to put them all. It's always, you know, in the way, and yeah, it's really frustrating. But that's going in there. Yeah, well, I have to fix some stuff here, but I'm gonna eat and then go to the neighbor, and we will have a good fika time. It's gonna be really nice. So see you later, alligator.